Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Tie and Gig Build. Bongo destroyed the wall, so we fixed it. Builds. This guy over here, Bongo, decided to destroy the wall.
Like the Kool-Aid man.
He's real thick in the backside here, so he slammed the wall. We decided why not make a build out of it.
Yeah, we were gonna make another build, but things change. So to repair this, we're just gonna cut out a square. We have another piece of drywall. We're gonna hit the studs with this square. We're gonna screw that drywall in, add some joint compound, some tape, some sanding.
Yep.
We forgot the sandpaper. We'll be back. We're gonna go to Home Depot, and then we're gonna paint this thing up.
You guys ready to see it? Builds.
Oh, it's just a gap in here? Oh, there's a vent. There's a vent in here. Okay.
All right. Toss it over there, you know. I'm gonna rip her out.
A few screws in here.
That's what the hammer's for, right?
Oh my God, you're relentless, huh? He doesn't get enough.
This is the guy who started this build for us.
Now we cut it square, so we're just gonna add the other patch we have, screw it in, add some sticky stuff, some compound.
Sand it down a bit and
Give it a paint.
call it a build. Okay, beautiful. Builds.
Bill!
All right, this is ad-4's FIBA tape. It's almost like it's not even there.
Can't even see it.
All right, guys, did about this is our third coat here. We've just been sanding in between coats. Got the old sander here. And then we're gonna go ahead, paint on over it. A little brush stroke, no big deal. Just a gentle coat of paint here, no big deal.
That's not the right paint.
That's correct. It's not the right paint. All right, guys, we're back. We have the correct paint now, I believe. No big deal. That looks better. That looks better. Yeah, this will be a nice first coat here. No big deal. Beautiful. Couldn't even tell there was a hole there. It's too easy here. Boom, and that's it, guys. Easy build. You know it's a quick one. We had a little quick emergency build there.
We'll patch up emergency.
Don't forget to check us out on Instagram. We'll be posting there regularly. You know we love the support. Builds.